Good morning everyone and welcome to the video. This video is essentially for SQSQ, dead letters and Lambda. So if you are working with SQS and Lambda, the use case is anyone who puts message on an SQSQ, we want to fire up a Lambda. But the goal is to essentially do this through a serverless framework, deploying this entire stack with a single line of command with I say, with magic word SLS deploy. So let's get started with this video and show you things in action. See how easy it is with the serverless framework. This is gonna be lab number 5, where I'm gonna be teaching you about SQS, Lambdas and everything, okay? So let's get started. I have a very simple Lambda, which is printing the message essentially, right? And the goal is essentially to develop, SQS queues and all of that. There's a new library, or actually a plugin called Serverless Lift. So you want to install this package called Serverless Lift. It's a very amazing package that makes it easy to work with queues and dead letter, right? So again, as I said, I'm doing it very easy. I don't want to complicate things, but let's see how we can easily deploy the stack. Organization, app name, console, and service. Nothing new here. I'm not doing anything fancy. Provider and runtime. So I'm using AWS and my Python is 3.8. Again, nothing crazy. I declare my plugin. Remember, you have to install the plugin using npm command or using SLS plugin install. So I installed serverless lift. I'm declaring that. Now construct, I'm saying, hey serverless, make a new SQS queue for me. The type is a queue. The worker means, hey, when the queue is created, someone is gonna do the work, right? Someone has to be invoked. So my worker is handler.hello, which means go to the handler, invoke the hello, right? Easy as that. And with just saying SLS deploy, this essentially deploys my entire stack. I have already done that. It usually takes about a lot of time. So I want to skip that in the video. But if you really want, I can deploy this stack again. So I'm going to say SLS deploy, which is essentially going to deploy my entire stack. Again, as I said, this will take time, about 5 to 10 minutes, because it updates to your CloudFormation stack. It creates a queue. It automatically assigns a dead letter queue. And it automatically assigns, it creates a Lambda function. It links all of that together. So it will take time. Please keep in mind. Hopefully it wouldn't take this long. Let's wait, since I have just fired, to just show you how easy things are when you learn or when you adopt a framework, right? So let's wait. So now it's updating the CloudFormation stack, and after that it should be a piece of cake, okay? Updating, let's keep waiting. Please feel free to forward this section. I know it's a little annoying to wait, but it takes more time for me to edit the video than essentially wait, right? So I might as well just wait, and please forward the section. Yeah. So now it's gonna update my, as I said, right, there is a lot more settings you can do with this. For example, batch size, polling interval, as I said, a lot more, right? Dead letter queue settings, you can essentially publish if a queue fails. So as you can see, this is my queue URL. I'm gonna go to Amazon and actually gonna show you things, man. So I'm gonna go to the queue. Automatically serverless created learn SQS. This is my queue name. It created a dead letter queue. So if I go to this queue and if I go to dead letter, automatically a dead letter is assigned. Maximum receive is 3. Automatically takes care of that. Isn't that amazing to you? Now it also created this Lambda function for me. As you can see here, working with things becomes so easy, right? When you adopt frameworks, when you adopt best practices, things become easier. Productivity increases, efficiency increases, right? Yeah, this code is in a zip file, so that's why you're not gonna see. But now we can actually take a look at this, man. So I'm gonna send a message. I'm gonna say hello Sawmill, send a message to a queue. So now this goes to the SQS queue, right? Hopefully, yeah, it goes to the queue. And now if I go to my Lambda, if I go to monitor, if I go to view logs in CloudWatch, takes a second or two, but let's be patient enough to see. Again, as I said, this is lab number 5, working with SQSQ. Again, you can come to this plugin. They have so much things in detail, right? Of course, I cannot go that crazy in one video. I want to make it short. I want to make it informative. So if you want to learn more, you come here, you read more, and you learn it right by yourself. So let's see. Might take a while to load the CloudWatch. Okay, so we come here, and then over here if I search for my hello sawmill, as you can see from the queue, my workers was invoked. I hope you have enjoyed these tutorials, and by the way, the entire lab, this is gonna be in lab 5 on my GitHub. So if you go to my GitHub section, right, and if you go to the repository, the links would be in the description. So this is a series, right? I'm making it a series, right? So you come to this repository, and here you will see a lab 5. I'm just gonna upload the code, but you will see a lab 5. All the YouTube videos are there, so you can keep learning. Okay, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep just keep learning and stay happy, right? And I would see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys.